everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you enjoyed that cute new intro that was done by my lovely Miss Arian Glitz. He came through in the clutch with that one and it is absolutely stunning, so thank you. But already you know what it's time for. It's another episode of experimenting with colors, and this time we will be using the BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette. Here's what it looks like on the inside. It is absolutely gorgeous. So I created this look using this, so if you want to see how I did that, then keep on watching. But before we get into anything, you already know what you got to do. Click that subscribe button, hit that bell, getting the notifications when I post new videos, and click that like button, letting me know you're liking the stuff that I'm putting out. So without wasting any more time, let's get into this video. Alright, you already know, before we get into this, I do have a Patreon page. So if you want to support this channel, then please make a donation to my Patreon page. $5 gets you a shout out here on this channel. $10 gets, no, not 10, sorry, 15 gets you a personal makeup consultation from me, and then $50 will get you a one-on-one makeup lesson straight from me. So if you want to, help keep this channel rolling and get all the juicy stuff that you need in your life, then please give a donation now. Let's get into this video. Alright, coming at you with another episode of experimenting with colors, and this time I'll be using the BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette. This is what it looks like on the inside, as you can see. I know this is an oldie palette. This has been around for a while, but I finally bit the bullet and got my hands on it. So we're going to be rolling with this one today. So I'm going to go into, I'm going to start off with the matte shade from Aquarius right here and start my transition. Okay, so now I'm going to dip into the matte shade for, sorry, I got interrupted there. So I've gone in with that matte shade from Aquarius. Now I'm going to roll into, let's see, I think I'm going to roll with the matte shade from Leo right here and deepen this crease up a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to go back into that first shade right here from Aquarius and kind of blend out these edges. Okay, so now I'm going to, again, I'm going to deepen this up a little bit more. Go into that matte shade with Taurus right here. Whoops, there you go. And kind of deepen my crease up just a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm going to take that matte shade from Taurus, kind of dip it into the shade from Taurus and Leo, and go on the bottom, the outer bottom portion of my lid. do what I do, put on that tacky or primer on my lid, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I done primed my lid, so now I'm going to go in with Cancer down here, right there, and I'm going to put that on the outer portion of my lid. So now I'm going to go into the shade Leo right here. Put that on the inner portion of my lid. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my trusty Morphe E36 brush. I'm going to spray it. Spray that off. I'm going to go into, I think I'm going to kind of keep, you know what, I'm gonna go in with Libra right here in the inner corner, right in there. Okay, so I'm going to do something to make that pop a little bit more. So I'm going to take that Leo shade that I put on the inner portion, just kind of tap it on top. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with that, whoops, I'm going to go in with that highlighter in the middle right here. I'm going to pop that in the inner corner. Alright, so I'm going to go off camera, finish all this up, and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is the final look using the BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette. So if you like this look, comment down below letting me know how you feel about it. And obviously, before we go, you already know what you gotta do. Click that subscribe button, hit that bell, getting the notifications when I post new videos, and click that like button letting me know you're liking the stuff that I'm putting out. And until next time, guys, deuces.